Everybody keeps saying video, 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 but you're not creating video. I'm going to give you the easiest way to start creating videos today. And this is all you need. Number one, you need a tripod. Number two, either a ring light or you need to face the window. Number three, you definitely need your mobile device. And number four, you simply need ChatGPT. And then number five, the Captions app. I'm going to show you right now how you can create video content in minutes. So let's go for it. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to log into ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to use data from a city in the state I'm in. I'm a real estate agent and I love to do marketing when it comes to data. Not everybody likes data, but I do. Well, maybe I should say I learned how to sew in high school, but now if I can explain data, I believe all of you can do the same thing. So the tools that I'm using or where I'm getting the data from is from my multiple listing service. So we're going to use the city of Plainfield. Now, I also like to have my prompts pre-created. Now, I do pay for ChatGPT, so I have projects, but to make it easy, I'm just going to go with many people aren't paying for AI. However, if you have Canva and you're paying for it, you could use Canva AI, or if you have Copilot, Microsoft, you could use Copilot, and if you have Google, and you're paying for your email, you could use Gemini. So we're going to create 3 social media video scripts for Plainfield using data. So I'm going to copy this prompt and then we're going to go over to ChatGPT and I've already downloaded the data, so we'll upload the data. So we'll add. I like to use the current month, and then I like to compare to at least 10 years ago. And in my case, I can go back to 2013. These PDFs are static reports that are built for me every single month. And I'm just going to throw in 2020 just to see if the data is better in 2025 versus 2020. So we'll paste that prompt, and then let's just click enter. So in seconds, I'm going to actually have my scripts. The reason why I like to build things in a table view is because if I decided to create a post over on Canva, I can create all 3 posts in minutes when I bulk create. Now, here's some suggestions. Could you open up your mobile device and simply just copy, cut, and paste from ChatGPT? Yes. What I have found is it was a little bit easier to just email it to myself. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to copy this script, copy it, and I'm going to email it to myself. Now, again, could you just copy it directly from AI from your mobile device? Absolutely. Okay, so let's copy our script, and then we're going to open the Captions app. Okay, so it's this easy. Now, I do pay for the Captions app. It's worth every single penny. So step 1, bottom left, click the plus sign. Step 2, click record. Step 3, over to the left, hey, click on the little square over here. This is your prompter. And then we're going to paste where it says type or paste my script. I'm not going to click record. We're going to click the back arrow in the top left-hand corner. And then I'll click apply. Now slow down a second because over to the left underneath our script, we need to change the clock, and I'm going to go with 90 seconds just in case I don't get done in like 30 seconds or less. Now, I haven't even read this, so let's test it out. Now, I do recommend that you have a tripod, so I'm going to grab one. I like to take a second, get myself together, fix my hair. So this is saying that it's about a 42-second read. I can talk fast because I do this for radio. Here we go. Watch what I do. I'm going to actually I'm going to pause for 1 or 2 seconds because when I go to edit, I need some room at the beginning because I found that if I just start talking right away, the first word is silent. Here we go. Plainfield just pulled a plot twist. Prices dip, but more homes sold. Make it make sense. September 2024 versus 2025, median sales prices slipped a bit, down 2.7%, while closed sales jumped 44.7%. More choices too. Inventory jumped 21%. Translation: buyers are showing up ready to write offers, and sellers who price right are winning. This is the market that rewards strategy, not wishful thinking. Market prices dip slightly, but more homes sold. What's happening in Plainfield? DM me for your Plainfield price check or visit my website in the link in my bio. Do it before your neighbor does. I'm Carrie Little with Caremark Realty Group, the designated managing broker, and we are here to help you get your home sold. Okay, so now that that's done, this is what I would do differently. If you are tongue twisted or tongue tied and it's not working, take a second, take a deep breath, and go edit it so it makes sense. So you could see I've been doing this for a while, so it was easy for me to fix it. So your next step is click continue, and then you can watch it if you want. I'm pretty good with it. So when I click continue, I'm going to create a project. When I create the project, what's happening is captions is giving me all of the captions, so I have the ability to edit right in the system. Once it's finished, the only thing you need to do is you're going to want to scroll to about where you start talking, click in the video, then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to want to click split, and then click on the first clip, and then scroll to where you see delete, bottom right. Delete that, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the end. And notice at the end I smiled, and that's just because, and I'm trying to smile while I'm talking, but that doesn't always work. So I'm going to go to about right here, and then choose split, bottom left, and then click on that last clip, and then choose delete. Now I have my video, and the next step is, now I'm not teaching you all of captions. There's another video if you want to check that video out. But at the bottom of the screen, you can change the style, or you might just go with the text that it gave you the first time. So top right-hand corner, click export. Click export at the bottom of the screen. And now you will have a video that you can share on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and we built all of that in ChatGPT. If you have questions, type them in the feed. Check out my book, Noise to Navigation, where I show you how to create better prompts. I'm Carrie Little, the designated managing broker of Caremark Realty Group in Illinois and Florida, and I am here to help you grow your real estate business. Check me out over on Instagram at Carrie Jo Little, and the same thing on TikTok.